From the shimmering azure waters to the whitewashed stone houses kissed by the golden sun, the Greek islands are a spectacle of natural beauty and historical allure. The stunning archipelago is a dazzling canvas of colors, from the sparkling cerulean waters to the radiant golden hues of the sunsets. Over 200 inhabited islands speckle the expanse of the Aegean and Ionian Seas, each island a distinct treasure trove of experiences, ranging from pristine beaches and surreal landscapes to ancient ruins and quaint old emerging from the Aegean Sea's sapphire blue. Santorini is a spectacle of captivating sunsets and iconic blue dome churches. Shaped like a crescent moon, it is renowned for its striking sights. The contrast of the white Cycladic houses against the deep sea creates a picturesque panorama as they tumble down the steep cliffs, offering breathtaking vistas. Santorini's unique geological history, shaped by a great volcanic eruption, is evident in its multicolored cliffs soaring over 300 m from a submerged caldera. This event birthed its famed red and black sand beaches, a sight unparalleled. The island's beauty is further accentuated with its whitewashed houses, their blue domes reflecting the sea and sky's endless azure. Santorini, abundant with archaeological sites, is a paradise for history buffs. From the city of Akrotiri, the Minoan Pompeii, to the hilltop ruins of the medieval city of Pyrgos, it offers a fascinating journey through time. The enchanting island of Santorini, with its wealth of archaeological sites, is a paradise for history buffs. Next, we journey to Mykonos, the shining jewel of the Aegean Sea, affectionately referred to as the Island of the Winds. This phrase is a nod to the calming summer breezes that alleviate the island's hot Mediterranean sun. Mykonos, with its striking blue waters and golden sands, is a living postcard. It's a place where the past and present coexist, attracting travelers worldwide. Known for its lively nightlife, Mykonos transforms as the sun sets, converting into a dynamic party hub. The island's clubs and bars come to life with music, and the streets fill with cheerful crowds, creating an enchanting scene. However, the daytime reveals a different, more tranquil side of Mykonos. Wandering the island's labyrinthine streets, you'll find chic boutiques offering unique fashion and souvenirs. There are quaint cafes serving aromatic coffee and delicious Greek food, providing a feast to the visitors. These narrow streets lead straight to Mykonos's famous windmills. Standing atop a hill, these windmills, with their round stone bodies and pointed roofs, are an enduring symbol of Mykonos's past. They are a critical part of the island's history, once powering the island's economy. When the day ends and the golden hues of the sky fade into twilight, these iconic structures, silhouetted against the setting sun, create a sight so breathtaking, it's bound to leave an indelible mark on your heart. These windmills, stark yet beautiful, are a testament to the island's rich history. Onward to Crete, the largest of the Greek islands. This land of enchanting beauty rests within the Mediterranean Sea. It signifies Greek culture and tradition, reflecting the richness of Hellenic heritage. Crete's natural beauty is a diverse array of landscapes. Striking mountains tower above, their tops veiled in mist. These mountains, adorned with lush forests, harbor diverse wildlife. Below these mountains, the terrain morphs into rolling hills, abundant with olive groves and vineyards. These hills descend into golden sandy beaches. Crete's coastline, with its unblemished beaches touched by the Mediterranean's clear waters, is a paradise for beach and water sports enthusiasts. Crete's history is etched into its terrain. The ancient Minoan ruins offer a peek into a bygone civilization. Majestic Venetian fortresses signify Crete's importance in the Mediterranean's trade routes. Byzantine monasteries echo tales of faith and devotion, offering spiritual comfort. Crete's cuisine is a blend of fresh local produce and traditional recipes. Every dish narrates a tale of sun-kissed olive groves, of the sea's fresh catch, of secret family recipes. The culinary journey in Crete is a gastronomic exploration into the depth of Cretan flavors. Crete's cuisine, a delightful fusion of fresh local produce and traditional recipes, is a culinary adventure in itself. Traveling north, we encounter the mesmerizing Corfu, cozily nestled in the heart of the Ionian Sea. This enchanting island, untouched and undisturbed by time, offers a stunning visual spectacle. Its charm lies in its idyllic location and vibrant history, shaping the tapestry of culture that Corfu emanates from the cerulean embrace of the Ionian Sea. Corfu presents inviting landscapes, rich with olive groves and cypress trees. These groves, symbolic of the island's fertile soils, offer more than just the delectable Corfiot olive oil. They form an integral part of the island's identity, echoing its rustic past. Contrasting the olive groves, cypress trees stand tall, their dark foliage adding drama to the landscape. These trees, scattered all over the island, deviate from the typical arid Greek island scenery, adding depth to Corfu's panoramic views. Beyond natural beauty, Corfu's architectural wonders await. French and British influences have merged seamlessly with its architecture, each contributing its unique touch. Venetian fortresses, French arcades, British neoclassical mansions sit together, forming a harmonious ensemble. The architectural styles range from elaborate Venetian structures to understated British elegance, enhancing the island's scenic town's charm. The architectural grandeur interacts beautifully with the surrounding natural beauty, making each alley and cobblestone street a picturesque scene. Corfu, indeed, is a living, breathing, open-air museum. The island's Venetian, French, and British influences are evident in its architecture, adding a unique charm to its scenic towns. To summarize, each Greek island offers a unique allure. For instance, Santorini. It's more than just an island, it's a sensation. Nestled in the deep blue Aegean, it offers stunning sunsets that set the sky ablaze, creating a breathtaking array of colors. Its unique geological past, the result of intense volcanic activity, has gifted it with dramatic landscapes and distinct red and black sand beaches. Mykonos is another gem. Famous for its cosmopolitan flair, it's a hub of vibrant nightlife. Parties start at sunset and go on until dawn. The island's iconic windmills stand a stark contrast to the vivacious energy, adding a touch of antiquity to the modern vibe. Crete, the largest island, proudly showcases its history. Its diverse landscapes reflect its rich heritage. From ancient Minoan ruins to Venetian fortresses, the island is a time capsule. Its beautiful beaches and rugged mountains meet the bustling city life and tranquil villages. Corfu, with its lush landscapes of cypress trees, olive groves, and wildflowers, is a sight to behold. Influenced by Venetians, French, and British, it boasts unique architecture. Corfu town, with its narrow streets and Venetian buildings, offers a gastronomic adventure, adding to the island's charm. Each Greek island, be it Santorini's stunning sunsets, Mykonos' vibrant nightlife, Crete's historical journey, or Corfu's culinary exploration, offer experiences for every traveler's taste. So pack your bags and set sail for your next adventure in the picturesque Greek islands. As we journey through the splendors of the Greek islands, it would be remiss not to mention Athens. Positioned between the mainland and the Aegean Sea, Athens bridges the classic island experience and modern Greece's pulse. This city invites you to tread on the very stones where philosophers Socrates and Plato once wandered. The city's history is palpable in the towering Parthenon, solemnly overlooking the city from the Acropolis. Yet, Athens is not just history, it's a blend of the past and the present. Mere steps from ancient ruins, lively local markets, contemporary art galleries, and stylish cafes. Athens' nightlife is comparable to that of Mykonos, with rooftop bars offering city views under starry skies. Let's not exclude the food. Athens is a haven for food enthusiasts. Thus, if you're into history, food, or immersing yourself in local culture, Athens provides an experience supplementing the charm of the Greek islands. In the next video, we'll into this lively city, its historic landmarks, cultural attractions, and gastronomic pleasures. Join us as we continue our journey through the breathtaking landscapes and rich cultures of Greece.